Dumelang and welcome back. Today I've got this OOTD and I just got an invite to a wedding. Problem is that I don't know Banyadi. But anyway, I'm going to honor the invite, so I'm just going to do the outfit of the day thingings and the cleaning and so it's basically how my Saturday will be. And yeah, so guys, let's go. Okay, so I'm done cleaning, so I'm going to make myself something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat because I just joined this clean eating challenge and it really is a challenge. So I will see what to eat. And again, guys, I didn't join because I have a problem with my body or anything like that. I joined because I just wanted to challenge myself to see if I'm gonna be consistent for 21 days. And again, I'm so curious to see the transformation and the results thereafter. So like yesterday I was so sick. I don't want to lie. I think I was sick because my body is not yet used to eating only vegetables, fruits, and all those things. So yeah, I felt so sick. I wanted to quit, but because I wanna see the results and I am curious, I am not going to quit. I'm going to keep on. So guys, come with me. Let's go make something to eat. Thank you for watching. Bye.